Welcome to Valkyrie Simple Finance. Understanding before investing. Debt can feel overwhelming, not because of the numbers, but because of the pressure. The good news is this: there is a clear way out. Before paying debt down, you must stop it from growing. That means no new borrowing, no new balances, no drifting. Control first. Write down every debt, balance, interest rate, minimum payment. Clarity reduces anxiety. If you don't have a small emergency fund, build one first. Even a modest buffer prevents new debt when life happens. There are two common repayment strategies: the Snowball method, pay smallest balance first; the Avalanche method, pay highest interest rate first. Both work. Choose the one you'll stick to. High-interest debt works against you every day. The faster you eliminate it, the more future cash flow you free. Make minimum payments on all debts. Focus extra payments on one at a time. When it's gone, move to the next. Momentum builds confidence. Most people slow themselves down. They refinance repeatedly. They celebrate too early, or they lose discipline. Consistency beats intensity. If interest rates are extreme, you may consider consolidation or refinancing, but only if it reduces total cost, not just monthly payments. When debt reduces, cash flow improves. That surplus becomes your opportunity, savings, investing, freedom of choice. Here's the rule: debt freedom is not about speed, it's about direction and discipline. Budgeting creates control. Emergency funds create safety. Understanding interest creates awareness. Debt repayment creates momentum. Momentum changes everything. Debt is not a character flaw. It's a financial condition. With structure and patience, can be reversed. Start with clarity. Stay consistent. Move forward.